Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Shomo's Biology. In this particular video, we are going to talk about a very easy understanding of cranial nerves. If you want to know what are the cranial nerve names and their functions basically, then this video is just for you because here I'm going to share a mnemonic and trick to remember and understand cranial nerves and their names. You can remember that quite easily. And here what I want you to focus on is this particular image which stated that this is the planet, this is a globe, and this globe there are some distractions, so some bad works, and there are some good greenery which is a good work. So we're talking about situation of a globe based on your work. So we'll form a sentence from it. Actually, we'll form this: all opportunity to try and fail to be the best in the globe. So utilize every single opportunity that you get, either you do it good or bad. So that is the meaning of this sentence: all opportunity to try and fail to be the best in the globe. This sentence will help you to understand and remember all the cranial nerves quite easily. So here I'll start with the different cranial nerves and I'll rearrange this sentence, and you can clearly see that we have with this capital alphabets, they signify the name of individual cranial nerves. Okay, in that order we need to maintain the order. The sequence is important because the name is cranial nerve 1 2 3 4 like this. So let's begin here. So all is olfactory. Okay, so it's homophonic, olfactory 1. The second one, opportunity, gives us two things, 2O. One is optic, the third one is oculomotor. So first one is olfactory is done, then we have O, opportunity. Two O's are there in opportunity. One is for optic, another one is for oculomotor. Then comes 2 for trochlear, that is the fourth cranial nerve. Then comes try for trigeminal, fifth cranial nerve. Then we have A for abducens, sixth cranial nerve. Okay. Then we have fail, F for facial nerve, seventh cranial nerve. Then we have best, B for auditory and vestibulocochlear. So vestibulo, so you say vestibulo, in that sense we have best, vestibulocochlear. Then what we have, globe. Globe is capital G, G for glossopharyngeal, that is the ninth cranial nerve. So we have 9 cranial nerves quite easily from this sentence. All opportunity to try and fail to be the best in the globe. We have olfactory, optic, oculomotor, trochlear, trigeminal, abducens, facial, auditory and glossopharyngeal. All of them are listed quite easily. You can get this. Now from the 10th onwards, we have a separate word, only one word, and the word is vanish. So that is the word vanish. So now why I said vanish, because we have VANISH. You can see that V for vagus, 10th cranial nerve. Then we have S for spinal accessory, 11th cranial nerve. And we have H for hypoglossal, 12th cranial nerve. That way we conclude all the 12 cranial nerves that you need to understand the name of, in that order, in that sequence, from olfactory to the hypoglossal. Okay, that's how easy it is to remember the cranial nerve. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, subscribe to this channel to get more videos like that in future, and watch all the videos regarding the tips and tricks for better and faster understanding. Thank you. Bye.